This video is about top 100 most goal scorers in football history. Wayne Rooney with 366 goals, Gonzalo Higuain with 366 goals, Hugai Ferguson with 366 goals, Firas Al Khatib with 367 goals, Osvaldo Castro with 368 goals, Didier Drogba with 370 goals, Michael Platini with 371 goals, Badr Al Mutwa with 372 goals, Mohamed Salah with 374 goals, Yuba Miyang with 377 goals, Ricardo Oliveira with 381 goals, Luis Fabiano with 381 goals, Alan Shearer with 382 goals, Umar Al Soma with 383 goals, Ruud van Nistelrooy with 384 goals, Telmo Zara with 384 goals, Mango Alves with 385 goals, Albert D. Klein with 386 goals, Jose Aguas with 387 goals, Alex with 389 goals, Fritz Walter with 390 goals, Andriy Shevchenko with 391 goals, Victor Hugo Antillo with 392 goals, Robbie Keane with 393 goals, Roger Milla with 393 goals, Romelu Lukaku with 395 goals, Ronaldinho with 395 goals, Carlos Hermosillo with 396 goals, Cabinho with 398 goals, Tulio Marvilla with 398 goals, Oscar Cardozo with 407 goals, Klaas-Jan Huntelaar with 409 goals, Thierry Henry with 411 goals, Wenger Love with 411 goals, Joan Plata with 411 goals, French Sousa with 411 goals, Fred with 412 goals, L.A. McQuist with 412 goals, Dejan Demjanovic with 412 goals, Ronaldo Nazario with 414 goals, Iran Zahavi with 416 goals, John Aldridge with 416 goals, Huggy Gletcher with 416 goals, Joseph Tekakas with 418 goals, Dada Marvilha with 425 goals, Hans Krankel with 425 goals, Sergio Aguero with 426 goals, Samuel Eto'o with 427 goals, David Villa with 427 goals, Raul Gonzalez with 432 goals, Harry Kane with 433 goals, Carlos Bianchi with 434 goals. Sebastian Abreu with 435 goals. Hulk with 436 goals. Neymar with 441 goals. Big C Dean with 442 goals. Rivaldo with 446 goals. Edin Dzeko with 448 goals. Jeff Mermans with 449 goals. Alberto Spencer with 451 goals. Edinson Cavani with 461 goals. Alexander Duric with 461 goals. Delio Onis with 461 goals. Jimmy Greaves with 466 goals. Ali Ashfaq with 476 goals. Sajipan Bobic with 480 goals. Johan Cruyff with 493 goals. Gunnar Nordahl with 498 goals. Karim Benzema with 498 goals. Isidru Langara with 504 goals. Georgi Sarossi with 505 goals. Sandor Kokosis with 505 goals. Ferenc Bean with 506 goals. Zico with 511 goals. Hugo Sanchez with 513 goals. Gaiola Zengler with 513 goals. Roberto Dynamite with 514 goals. Alfredo Di Stefano with 524 goals. Imre Skolsar with 554 goals. Isbio with 555 goals. Arthur Friedrich with 557 goals. Jimmy Magori with 558 goals. Glenn Ferguson with 563 goals. Uwe Seeler with 567 goals. Zlatan Ibrahimovic with 573 goals. Ferenc Deeg with 576 goals. Luis Suarez with 591 goals. Fernando Pirotto with 591 goals. Max Morlock with 609 goals. Joe Bambrick with 634 goals. Gerd Muller with 640 goals. Abe Lenstra with 645 goals. Jimmy Jones with 660 goals. Robert Lewandowski with 693 goals. Erwin Hamilton with 702 goals. Ferenc Pukas with 760 goals. Romario with 761 goals. Pele with 770 goals. Joseph Beacon with 805 goals. Lionel Messi with 868 goals. Cristiano Ronaldo with 938 goals. Like this video and subscribe this channel.